How to change Walmart item from pickup to shipping. Hi guys, today I'll be showing you the ways on how you can change Walmart item from pickup to shipping. In order to do this procedure, first of all, open up a browser, log in into your Walmart account. After you're logged into your Walmart account, it's going to direct you to its official page. So right on this page, you need a particular item you wish to add it to your cart. So I'm just select a random product and add it to my cart. So once you've added the product to your cart, so once you've selected the product, go ahead and tap on add to cart, which is located right in the corner. Now the product is added to cart, go ahead and click on the cart icon from the top right hand side corner. After that, it's going to take you to the summary page. So right on top you can see pickup and delivery option. Just tap on this arrow icon. So currently this particular item can only be shipped and not available for pickup nor for delivery. So to change the item from pickup to shipping, it highly depends on the type of seller and the product that you're actually purchasing. So right on this page, I won't be able to shift it to pickup nor for a delivery option. So this particular product is only available for shipping. Similarly, according to the items, the shipping or the delivery method also highly depends on it. So in this way, you can change pickup to shipping option on Walmart. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.